Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best hair dryers 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Professional Hair Dryer 7-in-1. This multifunctional styling tool set combines a hair dryer, hair straightener, and electric curler in one. With high-speed drying and versatile styling options, it's an all-in-one solution for achieving different hair looks effortlessly. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. New cold/hot wireless hair dryer. This innovative hair dryer offers both hot and cold air options, making it suitable for various styling needs. With USB wireless charging and strong airflow, it's an essential tool for home, dormitory, or business travel use. Number 3. ANLAN high-speed hair dryer, featuring a powerful 120,000 RPM motor. This hair dryer from ANLAN delivers fast drying with low noise. Its negative ion technology contributes to hair care by reducing frizz and enhancing shine. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia H701 hair dryer. This high-speed hair dryer from Xiaomi is designed for professional hair care. Generating negative ions and boasting a rapid airflow of 65 meters per second, it ensures quick drying with minimal damage. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia electric hair dryer H501. With a powerful motor spinning at 110,000 RPM, this hair dryer offers professional-level care with quick drying capabilities. Emitting negative ions, it helps to reduce frizz and static, leaving hair smooth and shiny. Thanks for watching.